and welcome to Jack's Days, and today we are playing Wrestling Simulator 3, and I am big, yes, I am the tank. I have been playing this for a while, but I have some codes for you. So what I want you to do, right now, click onto codes, and type. Ready? First one is Cole. Alright, just look at mine. Oops. Okay, let me just try that again. Let's do an easy one first. Santa le 150. Enter. 150 strength. This guy's killing me. Great. Okay. So now I've got 150 strength extra. Now we've got to do another one. BLIZZ. Wait, what the? ZZARD. Lifter. 200. That gives you 200 strength. Oops. Don't need to do that. Wrist mass 100 gems, I think. Yep, see, 100 gems right here with the yellow circle already. Next one, oh shoot. Let's try that again. Oh, that was a bit loud. Me doing that. And 50 gems. Cha-ching! Let's do another one. Snowy Spender. Oops. 50. And right, let's go to the hard one now. Call AREL 100. Please say this works. Right guys, I'll be back when I know what it is, because I wrote this down but I've forgotten what I wrote because it looks like a little smudge. Be right back guys. Okay guys, I am back and I just got killed. Anyway, I found out what it was. I thought it was called share, but it's called shake. So
Xbox.
Shut up! Cheers, Ryan! Paxton! Oh well.
Oi!
Oi!
We are going on the X.
No one cares. Back with this.
Why don't you care, Jack?
Days. Cold shake 1-0. Oh. 100 trim. Ching ching! There you have it, guys. We just got bigger by the minute. Bye!